Welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, we'll be talking about difference of two squares. When you have difference of two squares, how do you deal with them? How do you factorize them, especially? Now, look at what we have. The first one is p squared minus q squared, right? Whenever you see something like this, just go straight and just rewrite them as p minus q into p plus q. Now, if you expand this, you're going to get p squared minus q squared easily. So sometimes this factorization is really important. Now, for the next one, you have 16x squared minus y squared. Now, you can see 16x squared and y, each of them as a perfect square. And 16 is 4 squared, you know, 4 squared. Now, x squared minus y squared, which is the same thing as 4x all squared minus y squared. Now, each part is a perfect square now. So you can now say 4x minus y into 4x plus y. And that goes. All right. So the next one, you have x minus y. Now, what is this, a trap or something? Well, if we assume that each of x and y is a perfect square, then we can actually look at it like, okay, square root of x squared is actually x, right? Minus square root of y. Square root of x squared is x, just like square root of y squared is also y. So we can have square root of x squared minus square root of y squared. So now we have written it as perfect squares now. So now we can have root x minus root y into root x plus root y. And that goes, okay? So the next one, you have 100 y squared minus 49 w squared. Okay, straight off, we know that is like 10 squared y squared minus 7 squared w squared. That's like 10y all squared minus 7w all squared. So that means we simply have 10y, 10y minus 7w into 10y plus 7w. And that is it. So we have that right there. So how do you do this? How do you try this? What does p minus q give you in that light? And then what of m squared plus 121 n squared? Can you try this out and see what you get? All right. So subscribe to this channel to get very smart tips like this on how to do math right. Bye.